Hi, today we will talk about how to fix your problem or that problem you have on your Facebook app. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window like you say, and you go down. You click here on apps, then you come to next window here or apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Facebook app here, and this is window. You click here on Facebook, then you come to next window here, app info window like you say. You just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window. You click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.